We obtained a Belkin 140W braided USB-C to dual USB-C fast charging cable. It supports up to 140 watts power delivery 3.1, enabling charging for a wide range of devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones, and features intelligent power distribution. The front of the packaging displays the Belkin logo, the product name, its appearance, and key selling points. The back of the packaging shows usage scenarios for the cable along with technical specifications and other relevant information. The package includes the cable, a user manual, and related documentation. The braided cable design enhances abrasion resistance and durability, while also being more resistant to dirt and stains. The input connector housings feature a matte finish and are engraved with the Belkin logo. Both output connectors share the same design. The braided outer jacket is smooth and free of burrs, reflecting a high level of manufacturing quality. The label on the cable lists the product specifications: model CAC004, output rating of 5 to 28 volts, direct current at 2 to 5 amperes, a maximum power rating of 140 watts, manufactured in Vietnam, and certified to CE standards. The splitter housing is made of aluminum alloy, with the Belkin logo printed at the center. On the other side, input and output are printed at each end for easy identification. The total lighter is about 152 centimeters, 59.84 inches. Both output cables are 47 centimeters, 18.5 inches, in length. The weight is about 66 grams, 2.33 ounces. ChargerLAB Power CAC004 shows it has an e-marker chip, supporting power delivery of 50 volts at 5 amperes and data transfer at USB 2.0 speeds. When paired with an Apple 140W charger to charge a MacBook Pro, the input power to the laptop is about 132.2 watts, successfully enabling 140W power delivery 3.1 fast charging. When charging a MacBook Pro and an iPhone 17 Pro Max simultaneously, the charging power is 106.52 watts and 29.17 watts, respectively. When charging an Apple MacBook Pro and AirPods Pro simultaneously, the measured charging power is 126.66 watts and 1.17 watts, respectively. This demonstrates that, in addition to supporting multiple fixed output combinations, the cable can intelligently distribute power based on connected devices, providing an optimal charging solution for efficient power delivery. Next, let's take it apart to see its internal components and structure. Cut open the input connector housing, revealing a metal steel sleeve inside. The steel sleeve is spot welded to the USB-C connector housing. A metal clamp at the end of the steel sleeve secures the cable to prevent fraying or detachment. After removing the steel sleeve, the interior is filled with black hard potting compound. After removing the hard potting compound, a small printed circuit board inside is revealed, with multiple wires soldered to its front side. The other side of the small printed circuit board has only a single resistor. After removing the metal housing, the internal pins are found to have gold plating on their front ends. After removing the splitter's metal housing, the interior is found to be filled with molded plastic. After removing the translucent plastic, the front side of the printed circuit board reveals components such as a synchronous buck converter, a buck inductor, and V-bus MOSFETs. On the back side, there is a dedicated system-on-chip for multi-output fast charging cables, V-bus MOSFETs, and an analog switch. Close-up of the soldering points of the input wires. The dedicated system-on-chip for the multi-output fast charging cable is from WCH, model CH9241A. It supports power delivery 3.2/3.0/2.0 protocol negotiation, power distribution, and power path switching for 3 ports, with a maximum power delivery input power of 140 watts. The chip features dual output current detection, an NMOS gate boost driver, a high voltage low dropout regulator, and e-marker functionality. It provides over temperature, over voltage, current limited output, and over current protection. Additionally, it supports USB 2.0 signal selection, USB communication, and D+ and D- proprietary fast charging protocols. The synchronous buck converter is from Jolwatt, model JW5075A. It is a 5 ampere high-efficiency synchronous buck converter using current mode control. It provides fast dynamic response, with a minimum on time of only 35 nanoseconds, and can maintain stable frequency operation in high-frequency, high-conversion ratio applications. Close-up of the 6.8 microhenries buck inductor. The MOSFET used for buck output switching is from Adamant, model AD40N53D3. It has a voltage rating of 40 volts, an on resistance of 4.7 milliohms, and comes in a PPAK 3x3 package. The other MOSFET is marked with M30N40D2. One of the MOSFETs in the other set is also an adamant AD40N53D3. The other MOSFET is also marked with M30N40D2. Each of the two output ports has a 5 milliohm current sensing resistor, used to measure the charging current of connected devices for intelligent power distribution, current limiting, and overcurrent protection. Close-up of the other current sensing resistor. The analog switch is from WCH, marked 42 and model CH442Q. It has a rated supply voltage of 5 volts, high bandwidth, and low on resistance. It can also support 3.3 volts or lower supply voltages and comes in a QFN10 package. Cutting the input and output cables reveals that both contain 5 internal wires, with an identical design. After cutting open the outer jacket, a shielding mesh and aluminum foil are found inside. Beneath the aluminum foil shielding are a red positive power wire, a bare negative power wire, a green D+ wire, a white D- wire, a blue configuration channel wire, and 2 strain relief wires. The positive power wire incorporates strain relief fibers internally to enhance its tensile strength. Close-up of the negative power wire. The green D+ wire is used for USB 2.0 data transmission and also contains internal strain relief fibers. The white D- wire is used for USB 2.0 data transmission and also contains internal strain relief fibers. Close-up of the blue configuration channel wire. Close-up of the 2 strain relief wires. Cut open the output connector housing, revealing a metal steel sleeve inside. The interior of the steel sleeve is filled with black hard potting compound. The front side of the internal printed circuit board has 5 wires soldered to it. Overview of the back side of the small printed circuit board. Close-up of the pins. The other output cable uses the same design. Well, those are all components of the Belkin BoostCharge Pro 140W braided USB-C to dual USB-C cable.